Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the innovative Laundry Drying Rack Collapsible, a wall-mounted marvel designed to revolutionize your laundry routine. This sleek and sturdy rack features 5 heavy-duty aluminum rods, offering an impressive 13.2 linear feet of drying space and a robust 60-pound capacity, perfect for everything from towels to sweaters. Its foldable design not only optimizes your space but also ensures durability, thanks to a 1.4 mm thick main body and triple polished surface treatments that resist scratches and rust. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, this versatile rack is ideal for balconies, terraces, and laundry rooms, providing a sophisticated and flexible solution for all your drying needs. Installation is a breeze with the included user-friendly hardware, allowing you to set up this collapsible drying rack in just minutes. Embrace a low-carbon lifestyle with this eco-friendly product, designed with sustainability in mind, and enjoy the confidence of a well-organized and efficient laundry area. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated support team is always ready to provide a satisfactory solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.